I'll show what it is. Get it in real quick. Nothing too big. Oh, it's a sheephead. It's a sheephead. Get him in real quick. Little sheephead. He swallowed the hook. Completely swallowed the hook. Well, try to get it out. Little sheephead. Nothing big. He completely swallowed that hook though. You can see it in there a little bit. Yeah, he swallowed it. So I just cut it. Wouldn't risk the fish's life. Not worth it. Even though these, I don't even keep them. They're good fighting. I love catching them. They're good fighters. Well, get them back in there. There we go. Got another little something on. I know it's little. I can tell. Get him in. See if I can get him up. Get something. No. Well, I'll let you know when I. Another little catfish. Oh. Nothing great. Oh no, probably about 12. Yeah, nothing but a little cat. Come back. I got something else. Pretty sure it's a cat. Pretty sure. Yeah. Oh, pretty sure it's a cat. Any better view? Alright, well, I'll let you know when I pull them in. Yeah, it was a cat. Another little cat. Got some nice spots on him. Nice little cat. Nothing great. Somebody's coming to join me, I think. Or just turning around. It's a nice cat. Nice cat. Let him go. Something on again. Try to warm up. There's nothing too spectacular. It was a rock bass, but he swallowed the hook and I got blood all over me. I wanted to get him back in the water as soon as I could. Yeah, he swallowed the hook and blood got all on my fingers. Man, all the fish are little today. I don't know what's up with that. Got another one on. How small, I wonder why. Pretty sure this feels like a rock bass or a sheephead or something. Let's see. Oh, yep, it's a sheephead. Get him up here real quick. Alright, good, he didn't swallow it. Little sheepshead. Just little. Probably not even 10 inches, probably maybe, yeah, about 10 inches actually. Let him go. I got another one on. Let's see what this is all about. Feels nice. Not too small. Yeah, it was a cat, little cat. He fought bigger than what he was. He swallowed the hook. So, get him back in here real quick. There he goes. Got another little something. Not sure what it is. Might be small. I don't know what it is. It hit pretty hard. Bent the rod pretty. Ooh, it's bending the rod pretty good. I wonder what it is. Well, it might be a nice cat. Oh yeah, he's really pulling. Yeah, I wonder what this is. Catfish. Yo, catfish. Nice catfish. He tugged the rod real hard. Nice cat. Yeah. And get the hook out of his mouth. Good hook set right in the corner of the mouth. Got another one on. I don't know what this is. It's fighting all weird. Oh, it's a nice sheephead. Let me get him up. Yeah, it was a sheephead. Swallowed the dang hook. Man, I hate it when they do that. Can't stand when they do that. Yeah, it's a nice sheephead though. Oh, probably a good 14. Something like that. Way bigger than this. Okay. I'll let him go. I gotta cut the hook out. I hate doing that. I'm wasting hooks. Drop him back. He's a nice one. Ouch. Just as I was about to rig up my other pole, got another one. I don't know what it is. Feels like a cat. Watch Nona. I'll get it in. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a cat. Nice little cat. He swallowed the hook, but I got the hook out, so he should be fine. He's just bleeding a little bit. Flicking the blood everywhere. Blood all on my hands. Ugh. Got another one. Feels a bit heavier. Just a little bit. Yeah, he's nice. See, look at him. It feels like a cat. Oh yeah, it's a feisty cat. Oh yeah. I'll wait till you get him up. Yeah, it's a nice cat. Nothing great. Let me get a greater grip on him. Nothing great. Sure was smacking at the rod though. Nothing. No. They all got bellies on them. They're probably feeding right now. Get him back in there. Got another one on. Yep, he feels nice. A little bit nicer. Oh, yeah. Oh, he just came off. No! He just came off. Oh, come on. Felt like a nice cat. Can't believe he came off. Can't believe that. Nice butt. Oh, he snapped it. He took the other line. Oh my god. He took the hook. He took the freaking hook. Oh wow. I've been wondering why I wasn't getting hit on this rod, but there's a fish on it. Oh well. Well, we'll get him in. See what he did. Maybe it's bigger than I first guessed. He's taking drag. Thought I could just get him in real quick. No, he's a fighter. Wherever he's fighting pretty good. It's a monster sheepshead. Oh my god. Let me get him off there real quick. It's a monster. Oh my god. Hold on. Gotta get the hook out. Got a really good hook set right there in the side of the mouth. Get the hook out real quick. Oh. Let me get the hook out real quick. Monster sheepshead. Oh my god. It's kind of hard to hold up. Man. Oh man. He's big. I'm gonna measure him real quick. Baby is 20 inches. Oh man, that's monster. It's the biggest one I've caught this year. Oh, he's a monster. Let's get him back in. Man, he's moist. Let me get a picture. Let's get the release on this guy. It's a nice cat. You would make some nice fillets. I like to keep them about this size. They're a lot smaller. They got better meat in them than the older ones. Have been picking up a bunch of garbage from on the bottom of the river. I like these one better. And put them back in. I don't do much catfishing, but I'm only doing this because the river's flooded where I fish for bass. I catch nice smallmouths up there, really nice smallmouths. Caught some big largemouths too. It's way too high to fish, so just going for some catfish, and it's been working out well. They're not slamming them. I'm not getting a fucking grand slam, but it's still good. I like fighting catfish. I've only kept like not many at all. I like the way they taste, but I don't like to eat them all the time. So